Yo, what's good? Today I'm breaking down the 5 things that make your credit score either look like a baller or a bench warmer. I'ma keep it real simple, real quick, and real useful. Let's lock in. If your credit score was a mixtape, these 5 tracks decide if it goes platinum or flops. Learn them and you level up apartments, car notes, even low interest on big moves. Number 1, payment history. This is the heavyweight, about 35% of your score. Do you pay your bills on time? Every single month. Lenders don't care about vibes, they care about receipts. One late payment can dog walk your score for years. Game plan. Set auto pay for at least the minimum, then pay the rest before the due date. If you're already late, don't hide. Pay ASAP and call the lender. Sometimes they'll remove a first-time slip. Number 2, credit utilization, roughly 30%. This is how much you're using out of what you got. If your limit is $1,000 and you're riding at $800, that's 80%. And that's loud in a bad way. Aim to keep it under 30%. And if you want to flex, under 10% is chef's kiss. Pro moves, pay mid-cycle before the statement closes. Ask for a higher limit with no hard pull. Don't max a card just for points. Number 3, length of credit history, about 15%. It's your OG status. The longer you've had accounts, the more trustworthy you look. So don't close your oldest card unless it's taxing you with wild fees. New to credit? Get a secured card. Become an authorized user on Someone Responsible, or use a rent phone bill reporting service to build that timeline. Number 4, new credit, around 10%. Every time you apply, most lenders do a hard inquiry, which dings you a little. A few is cool. A shopping spree for 5 cards in a week? That screams thirsty. If you're rate shopping for a car or mortgage, do it tight, like within 14 to 45 days, so it counts as one hit. Before you apply, check pre-approval with soft pulls and make sure your utilization and payment streak are clean. Number 5, credit mix, about 10%. Lenders like to see you juggle different flavors. Credit cards, auto loans, maybe student loans, personal loans. But don't take random debt just to have variety. Mix only matters if your basics are tight. Quick recap, pay on time, non-negotiable. Keep balances low, under 30%, aim under 10%. Keep your oldest accounts alive. Chill on new applications. Mix helps, but only after fundamentals. Level up checklist you can start today. Turn on auto pay for minimums. Make a mid-month payment to drop utilization before the statement. Ask for a limit increase. No hard pull if possible. Set calendar alerts for due dates and statement dates. If you're brand new, snag a secured card or authorized user slot. Real talk. Your credit score is just a trust meter. Don't try to hack it. Just play clean, consistent, and grown. It won't glow up overnight, but in 3 to 6 months of discipline, you'll see momentum. In a year, whole new lane. If this helped, drop a like, toss a question in the comments, and share with that friend who thinks minimum payment is a personality trait. I'm out. Keep your money smart and your credit cleaner than your kicks.